34 degrees with that fog. Really make sure to drive with those low beams. Humidity up to 93%. So we're dealing with a little bit of that ick factor as you walk outside. And those temperatures, though, today, relatively pleasant, though, despite the fogginess. 38 degrees in Ontonagon, 39 in Houghton, 34 in Florence. Over towards the east, exactly the same. Temperatures above the freezing mark. That is the main takeaway for everyone from east to west. 35 in Manistee, 34 in Escanaba, 36 in St. Ignace. And that's being reinforced by the fact that those winds are coming somewhat blustery out of the southwest at 14 in Houghton, 18 in Munising, 10 in Escanaba. But that fog, really, that's all because of the fact that humidity levels are close to 100%. The dew points are close to the actual air temperature, and here you can see throughout pretty much the entire state into those middle to upper 30s and further towards the south to those lower 40s, but very close, very compacted together. 32 in Marquette, 33 in Escanaba, 35 in Alpena, 39 in Traverse City. So we are dealing with that reduced visibility. Some areas having a bit more of that denser fog. Already 1 mile visibility from Grand Rapids all the way up to Oscoda, where we are in the UP, 5 miles in Iron Mountain, 3 in Marquette, 9 in Ironwood. So at least improving, at least further west you go, but really make sure to be careful. We're also dealing with the fact that the roads are slippery since the roads are cold, and we're now dealing with the temperatures above 32 degrees already melting away the snowpack buildup over the last couple of weeks. And then we're going to add the rain on top of that by the time we get towards tonight into tomorrow morning. Then by the time we get towards tomorrow afternoon, things begin to change as that cold front slides through. Winds change directions from the southwest out of the northwest. Now it's going to drive in the cold air. We'll start seeing that rain transition into freezing rain and then finish off with snow. By Friday, any snow that starts to fall throughout the area will be just associated with your regular lake effect snow machine, and that will be affecting parts of the central and western UP, especially over towards the Keweenaw Peninsula and just to the east of Marquette. So for us today, it's just been dreary, it's been gloomy, it's just been gray with the fog all around. We did have a little bit of that freezing drizzle earlier this morning, but it's quickly made its way into parts of Ontario. Now behind me towards the west, we were dealing with those snow showers into parts of North Dakota and even a little bit of that mix as well into parts of Minnesota. That is the cold front itself, and that will eventually slide its way towards the south and east over the next 24 to 48 hours. And here's how it's all beginning to play out for today, though. The snow really dominating into parts of the eastern Rockies and the northern plains. For us, though, we're just dealing with a spotty mix. Showers when it comes to rain as you make your way into the Ohio Valley. For tomorrow, here is just the whole kitty caboodle when it comes to the rain, the snow, and the mixed precipitation. We're going to be dealing with the rain first, then the mix, then the snow. Snow will be the last thing, but overall it's just going to create some hazardous conditions when it comes to traveling, especially by the time we get towards tomorrow night. As those temperatures begin to fall, that rain that is received, the snow melt that's already happening, that will freeze over and create additional layers of ice. So here, by the time we get towards Friday, temperatures are going to be in the teens. Yes, in the teens. So quite a drastic fall from where we are right now and early tomorrow. Warmest temperatures will be occurring by tomorrow morning and then beginning to descend throughout the afternoon and into the evening. And then it's really just Parker weather by the time we go towards the weekend. 28 degrees with increasing rain showers and just warming up. We'll actually see those temperatures make their way into those 30s as we head towards Thursday morning. Then throughout the day tomorrow, 29 degrees in Ontonagon, 38 in Iron Mountain, 33 in Houghton. And keep in mind that these temperatures will likely take place during the first half of the day, maybe some areas towards the east into the early afternoon. So it's morning rain, afternoon snow. Then for Friday, lake effect snow begins to take over, and that's how pretty much it's going to play out at least throughout the weekend. But look at those temperatures down to -3 by Sunday morning.